In the fast-paced world of technology, staying connected while on the road has never been more important. That's where the OTTOCAST wireless Android U2-X Pro comes in, an innovative wireless Android Auto adapter that allows you to wirelessly connect your Android phone to your car's infotainment system. This means no more fumbling with cables every time you get into your car. Let's take a deeper dive into how this device works and what makes it so special. The OTTOCAST wireless Android U2-X Pro is designed to provide a seamless experience for Android users who want the convenience of Android Auto without the hassle of wires. Android Auto has become a must-have feature for drivers, offering access to maps, music, messages, and calls all through your car's dashboard. Traditionally, Android Auto required a USB connection, but with the OTTOCAST U2-X Pro, you can now enjoy all these features wirelessly. Setting up the OTTOCAST wireless Android U2-X Pro is incredibly simple. All you need to do is plug the adapter into your car's USB port, and within minutes, you'll be able to connect your Android phone wirelessly. No additional apps or complicated setup procedures are necessary. This plug-and-play setup means you can enjoy the convenience of Android Auto without spending time fiddling with your phone. One of the standout features of the OTTOCAST U2-X Pro is its compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. Whether you drive a newer model or an older car, this adapter is designed to work with most vehicles that support Android Auto. The device uses cutting-edge technology to ensure that it works seamlessly with your car's infotainment system, providing a smooth and responsive experience every time. But what about performance? The OTTOCAST U2-X Pro offers a stable and fast connection, so you can enjoy lag-free navigation, music streaming, and hands-free calling. Whether you're driving on a busy highway or cruising through the city, you can count on this adapter to keep your Android Auto experience smooth and uninterrupted. Another great feature is the device's ability to automatically reconnect once you start the car. This eliminates the need for manual connections and ensures that your Android Auto is always ready to go when you are. It also supports voice commands, making it easier than ever to stay focused on the road while accessing your favorite apps and services. As for design, the OTTOCAST wireless Android U2-X Pro is compact and unobtrusive, blending seamlessly into your car's setup. Its sleek design ensures it doesn't interfere with other devices in your vehicle while maintaining a high-quality build that reflects its premium performance. However, like all products, the OTTOCAST U2-X Pro has a few minor drawbacks. While it's compatible with most vehicles, there may be some older infotainment systems that are not fully supported. Additionally, the wireless connection might not be as fast or stable in certain environments, such as areas with heavy Bluetooth or Wi-Fi interference.